My name is Asif, and my I am belong from Aurangabad, Bihar, and I am a full stack developer. And in backend, I have a skill of uh, C Sharp, SP.NET MVC, and Web API. And I'm in front end. I have a skill of CSS, and Bootstrap, and JavaScript, and HTML. And now I'm working in Super India Private Limited, and I am I am working two live project which are mahimadetergent.com and pathmathematics.com. And my hobbies are playing cricket. That's all about me.
Okay, Asif. So, how you rate yourself in C sharp out of 10? How much out of 10? It is 6 or 7?
Six.
It is 6. Okay. So, what is C sharp, Asif?
C Sharp is a object-oriented programming language. It
Mm-hmm.
is developed by Microsoft,
Mm-hmm.
and it's run on a .NET framework.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What are the feature of C sharp?
Feature of C Sharp like type shape, rich library, and oriented component, and uh, modal, simple.
Hmm.
Easy.
Okay. What are the roles of C sharp? What can it do with C sharp?
The role of C Sharp, it is created by uh, desktop application,
It is used to
mm,
create desktop application.
mobile application,
It
window
help
application.
it helps in window application. Okay, right. Okay, Asif. Now tell me, just about CLR. Have you heard about that? What is CLR? What is the
CLR is
work of CLR?
CLR. Uh, it's stand for Common Language Runtime, and it's basically it is a manager like thread management, memory management, and garbage collector, and mm, etc.
Okay. It is basically a manager which is used to manage all the things like education management and all. Okay.
Yes.
What is MSIL?
MSIL, it's stand for Microsoft uh,
Intermediate language.
Intermediate Language.
Okay. It is partially converted language. It is converted by CLR. It is converted by source code compiler,
Source code
and
compiler.
further it is converted by JID compiler from MSIL to native
Machine
code.
code.
Okay, Asif, very good. Asif, now tell me what is class in C sharp?
Class is a blueprint architecture, and class is it is used to uh, class keyword.
It is used with class keyword. Okay, very nice.
Word.
And what is object?
Object is a real world entity
Mm-hmm. Which has some properties like state, behavior, and
like
identity.
state, behavior, and identity.
Okay, fine. Now tell me the concept of OOPS, the features of OOPS. What are the features of OOPS?
Basically, five type of feature like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, class, and object.
Okay, what do you mean by polymorphism?
Polymorphism, that's mean many form. Uh, it, one object performs some action on the same time.
Okay, one object can perform many actions, right? Okay,
Yes.
what are the types of polymorphism?
Type of polymorphism, there are two type of polymorphism,
Hmm.
and runtime and compile time.
Runtime and compile time. Very nice. So method overloading come under compile time or runtime?
Method overloading, that's uh, runtime.
Come under compile time. It is come under
Compile.
compile time. Method overriding is a part of runtime.
And
Do you know what is meaning of early binding and late binding?
early binding, it's occurs and uh, compile time, and Late binding,
Early
it
binding,
is
any decision taken by compiler at the compile time, and the decision taken by the compiler at the runtime is called late binding.
runtime.
Okay, fine. What do you know about inheritance?
Inheritance, that's mean code reusability.
Okay, it
It is
provides code reusability.
for,
What are the types of inheritance?
um, 5 type.
It is a five
First,
type. It is a five type or four types.
5 type.
Now tell me the name of types.
First, simple
Mm-hmm.
and multi-level
Hmm.
and multiple,
Hmm.
hybrid and
Hmm.
hierarchical.
Hmm. Okay, but multiple, we know that it is not used directly in C Sharp and Java. To use multiple
Yes,
inheritance, we need to take help of interface, right?
interface.
Yes.
Yes.
So we cannot say that the multiple inheritance that is used in C Sharp. If anyone asks you, is there any option? Is there any option to use multiple inheritance? Then you have to speak that yes, there is an option. Yeah, using in interface we can achieve multiple inheritance, but directly you don't try to say that the type of five types of inheritance. It is only of four types: single, multi-level, hybrid, and hierarchical. It is very
Okay.
clear. Okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay, so now tell me the types of access specifiers and what is the role of access fire in C Sharp.
Access specifier is it is used to uh, uh, it is used to specify the of the scope
It
in
is used to define a scope in a programming language. Okay, so now tell me the scope of internal access fire.
internal access fire in the same class.
Members that can access in a same package, in a same namespace. We cannot
Same.
access internal members outside of namespace, right? So all
Yes.
classes belonging to the same namespace will access internal access fire, internal members. Yes or no? So by
Yes.
default it is by default the class it is a private or internal. I am asking about class, not the members of class.
Internal.
Yes, it is internal. Very right. And the members of class it is private or public?
Private.
Yes, very good. So now tell me what is constructor in C Sharp.
Constructor is a special type of method. It is initialize the data member.
It is just in slide data member. Very nice. What are the types of constructor?
Type of constructor. There are 5 type of constructor.
Tell me the name.
First, private
Okay.
and
Copy
copy
constructor,
constructor, static constructor,
default
parameterized
constructor, and
constructor,
parameterized constructor. Okay. Can we overload a static constructor in C Sharp?
no,
Why? Reason?
because static constructor, it's a static constructor that cannot be an instance of a
Because
static class.
a static constructor is a parameter less. So
Yes,
if it is
that,
parameter less, then how you can overload? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What do you mean by overloading and overriding? What do you mean by
Overloading,
method overloading and method overriding?
method overloading. That's mean multiple method in a same class.
Hmm. Defining multiple methods in a same class.
Same class.
Defining multiple methods with the same name and different signatures in a same
Different
class.
signature in a same.
That is called
In
overloading, right?
yes.
Very nice. Okay. What do you mean by delegate?
Delegates it is a function pointer.
It is a functional. It is function pointer. Very right. Okay. How we call function in C Sharp? The types of ways we can call methods in C Sharp.
There are call three type of
That is a call by value.
value and call by reference and call by out.
Very nice. Okay. What are the types of methods, Asif?
Type of method. There are 2 type of method: user defined and predefined.
It is user defined and predefined. Very nice. Tell me the name of predefined method in C Sharp.
Predefined method like console dot read line write line.
So complete the console dot read line is
So
not a method.
me,
Only read
uh,
line, write line, write, read key, these are the methods, right? So console
yes,
is a class, I think. Console is a class which belongs to system namespace.
yes.
Okay, what do you mean by namespace?
Namespace, it is used to logical arrange a class interface
It is a group
enum.
of classes, some namespaces, and etc. Okay, it treat like folder structure. Yes. What is the full
Yes,
form of DLL?
DLL, dynamic link library.
Okay, and what is the full form of EXE?
Exe, sorry.
Can you create DLL file in C sharp?
Yes,
Please show me using console application how can you create DLL. Just do one thing, create a method that will return welcome to Supra Pathshala, but that method logic will be defined inside the DLL file. And what you need to do that you need to call with the help of application file, with the help of your exe file, and you need to just call that DLL method. And when you run this application, this will show you welcome to Supra Pathshala. Got it my point? I am repeating the question. You need to create a DLL, name just any name, and inside that DLL class, you need to create a method. That method will return a message, welcome to Supra Pathshala. You need to call that method in your application, that is your exe file, and after running, you have to just output, give the output. Simple, just share your screen, and you have to do this all in console application C sharp. Don't go in GUI application, just open console and do this.
okay. First, I am creating a new project.
Mm-hmm. You're just a screen displaying in white. I think there is a network issue. Stop sharing and again try to share it.
Okay.
Just now this is okay. This is okay. Just minimize your screen. Minimize your screen.
Okay.
But again it is white. Why it is white?
No,
Just stop sharing and try to share again. Now this is okay. Let's minimize this. Okay, now this is okay. Now do this.
yes.
First of all, you have to take DLL file. You just create application or you just create a DLL file.
First, I am creating a exe file, and
Okay, net
inside also inside of creating a DLL file.
DLL. Okay, okay, fine. That's step by step. You have to you are presenting yourself in C sharp, so you have to speak continuous. What are you doing then again and again? What are you doing in the next? You
Okay.
have to speak that.
First, then after then, I am creating a DLL file. Solution, and right click for the add new project.
Okay, very right.
and search for the DLL and show me the class library
Mm-hmm.
.NET framework. And select the DLL file and next, and now I'm creating a DLL file. This is a DLL file.
Mm-hmm. Just create a method that will return a string. Welcome to Suprapatshala.
First, yes, first I'm creating class inside of a method. Mm, Public string and function name. Return and string result. I'm showing a Suprapatshala Patshala and this variable return, and after then add to reference a DLL file and add this DLL file and using DLL file add the namespace.
First of all, you have to add reference. You have added reference.
Yes,
Okay, fine then. Then use that application.
class library. Okay. After then I'm creating an object, uh, this library
That is class 1. The name
class
of class is class 1.
class 1 class object class 1 new. I'm creating a instance and call the instance of
Stop noising.
and I'm calling this function name
Okay.
function and I'm store
Storing the
this
result in result variable. Okay, fine. Because
result.
that is of return type of method. So of course this will return a string value. Okay, very
Yes.
nice.
Now I'm work. Now I'm printing this result, and
And you need to
after
put
that,
here console red line to hold your console board.
okay, and console dot read line. For this run and showing this Suprapatshala.
Very good, very nice. One more assignment I am assigning to you. Are you familiar with collection in C Sharp?
Yes,
Can you create array list that will hold all data type like integer, string, character, float, boolean, and you need to print that.
okay,
Just do one thing. Inside the same application, create a method.
yes,
Inside the same application, create a method.
yes,
Don't go in DLL file. Just create in a same application. That is your application file.
yes. First, I'm creating a
As you are just
new
creating a new project. Okay, fine. That's create new project. And
Yes.
simple, you need to just define a array list inside any method, and you need to call that method inside main method. Don't take class library now, just take application file.
Yes.
Be cool always. While you coding, just cool, है ना?
Yes.
You are giving good interview. I am very happy after seeing you.
First, I am creating a function.
Okay.
And, and return. And now I'm working. First, I'm creating an array list. Array list. Array list. It using system dot collection. Now import this array list and object new array list and add this product.
Add is a method, so just open and close bracket. There is a parenthesis required. Yes.
One
You need to add different types like integer, string,
integer
float, double,
and
boolean.
add character value, and now add a string value and add float value and, and now I'm printing for each. Where in array list and printing and declare the variable
Mm-hmm.
using the return and
Why are you declaring variable result here?
because
You
I'm
want
storing one to
why
one.
why you storing? You just use console dot write line inside for each loop. This will print all items exist in array list.
Because I am
You would
return this
like to
array list.
return complete result, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. So we need to concat them, na?
And return result.
Result, right?
I am creating object program calling and calling this function.
Use console dot write line in the last of line.
Yes, yes. Console dot readline. And now I'm printing.
You can directly print this function console write line inside that p dot fun.
P dot fun. Yes. And after then run this project and showing this my proper
Okay, fine.
value.
Okay. one more assignment, and that is for GUI application. Now you have to jump from console application to GUI applications. Are you comfortable to connect your GUI application with
Yes.
database?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So what you need to do is you just need to add a student having name, email, and mobile. Fine.
Yes.
After adding that students, you need to log in with the email and mobile. And after login successfully, it should display message. That's it only. Only simple assignment I'm giving to you.
Okay.
Got it? You have to take only 3 fields for registration, 2 field for login. You have to just do with GUI application. Also, you need to create a store procedure for that. Fine.
Yes.
Are you comfortable with store procedure?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then step by step.
Okay. First, I'm now I'm working
Just create a
this.
table having ID, that will be identity of primary key, and name, email ID, and mobile number. Total that will be 4 field inside the SQL Server database and 3 field in on GUI form, right?
Okay. Okay.
ID field, that would be identity, so no need to add
I
ID
did.
field. Clear?
Yes. Use my table. Yes. And now I'm creating a table. Create table. Table name. That customer ID identity and name worker and worker and mobile begin. I'm creating this is creating a already table. That's why creating a new record. Yes. Select start from customer one and creating a GUI application. Use window application. Yes. First time global bar. No. Global bar. And first text box. And global Copy this text box and paste. Copy this label and paste rename the label.
Take button.
Yes, label email and then paste mobile number. Copy this, paste.
Noise are coming from your background.
Okay, 1 minute. Creating one button. This button name is submit button. 2014. First, I'm connection the SQL database using system.data.sql client and using system.data. And connection this SQL connection object new SQL connection. First server name
ऑनलाइन सेशन चल रहा है अभी, मत खोलो, टप टुप मत
database
करो,
name
टप टुप नहीं करना जी.
and username and password.
आएंगे ना तो धार के गधा नहीं पीट देंगे.
Server name with this server name paste database name mydb. That's what connection successful and carry the data from SQL to GUI application.
Okay. Have you created a store procedure?
No, no.
No,
I'm
nothing. Go
creating
and
this.
create a store procedure first.
Okay. I'm creating this store procedure. Create procedure st insert and as begin
You need to take argument here for
Argument
name,
here.
for name, email, and mobile.
name vector email vector mobile
You need to declare data type for mobile. You're not declaring any data type, so take big int here. For mobile it
Begin.
is big int.
Yes. And set.
No need to call set here. We are not going to call update. We are just going to add data. So call insert query here. Insert into table name.
Okay, okay. Insert into values. Name, Ross, and email. Is email.com and mobile number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and end. Syntax error.
There would be at the rate shine.
Okay, at the rate, at the rate, at the rate.
Just
Yes,
listen one.
successful.
Okay, but no need to specify here value. You just specifying the given value raj and gmail.com. So what will happen if this procedure will called again and again, the value of Raj and same record will be added again and again. The repeated values go to the table. So what are you doing here?
Oh,
You just need to just specify the arguments here. In the place of raj at gmail.com, yes, alter this procedure and specify the argument name at the rate name, comma, at the rate email, so on, at
at
the
the
rate
rate,
mobile. So this
the
will
rate
give the dynamic value.
email and at the rate mobile. Yes, this is successful. And I'll go to this Geo application. It's called data adapter. This object and instance and key insert on. Sorry, SQL command insert dot on. Procedure, add to procedure.
You need to call here SQL command cmd SQL command dot command type is equal to command type dot store procedures. Then after you need to supply parameters. Type SQL command dot command type dot command type.
Type
First of all, SQL command, that is the name of object you have declared on the top of
SQL.
the line. Dot command type
Yes,
dot command type
command type
is equal to just remove dot, equal to command type dot store procedure. Command type dot store procedure.
command type dot store procedure.
No need, no, yes, just put on a semicolon there. Okay, after that line you need to
Yes.
specify arguments. SQL command dot parameters dot add with value dot parameters dot add with value
Add dot. Yes. Add value. name
Sorry. You need to take value from text box.
text box parameter dot add with value email and dot text box text basically command dot parameter dot add with value mobile text box dot text and then
And just you need to connection. Just open the connection. Con dot open and
open
you need to apply cmd dot execute non query.
yeah con dot open
And just
and square
dot execute non query. Execute non query.
execute non query
And then con dot close.
and con dot
And
class
simple use message box dot show to print the message record edit. Just do only one thing because the time is over. So in the next session you need to create create login form and all that. So print message box here. Use message box to display the message record edit. After con dot close, put message box dot show because this is UI application. So if you want to show the message whether record edit or not, so you need to put the message box dot show.
message box dot show
Yes, print that is record added successfully. Yeah, record added, yeah, data added, yes. And
record
let's
added successfully
yes, let's put the semicolon there. Now run this
yes
application.
just for a second first enter your name here
Mm-hmm.
Asif email dot com and mobile number is and now submit this record added is successful
Okay, very nice.
and
Now
I'm
check in
checking this
database.
record
Yes.
checking this database and select start from so this record
Added it in your table.
Asif and
Good. Good Asif.
yes
Thanks for all today and very nice interview.
yes
And next session we will meet with you and just try with the